Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I started the recording late, but we're gonna be doing only first person challenge. So we're gonna see who can make the most money in only first person. So yeah.
I thought it was last to go out of first person.
Nah. Most money. No, my god. Okay, yeah. So
How long?
when you get out of cars, oh yeah, and you have to. And for power plant, you have an exception on power plant too, because you can't actually do power plant in first person. It's literally impossible. So you have an exception on power plant.
Are you sure?
Yeah, you can't do the
I
codes
can
in.
only do like 3 or 4 robberies now.
What
So
other?
I guess we're all gonna be making the same amount of money. I need this video to be a shorter video.
It will be. It's only
All
gonna
the
be like
other
15
videos
minutes, man.
really
It's only gonna be like 15 minutes.
there's something like 8 minutes.
15's the shortest I think we should get. Because my attention span is like 2.5.
Subway Surfers gameplay over.
No, we're not putting Subway Surfers gameplay over. Because I don't know how to put it in. Oh, okay. Oh yeah, and to spawn cars, but you have to be really, really, really close to spawn cars. Because you can't spawn cars without it either. Or you might be able to, I just don't have a keybind for it. Bruh. There is a keybind for it?
There's not.
Holy crap. Bruh, this is like motion sickness 101. This is how you get motion sickness. Like, doing the jump is just scary. You guys can see. It's like dangerous.
Roller coaster. I just have a whole bunch of twos going in my screen.
Yeah, that's why I don't use Hyper 1.
But you also drive in first person.
Do you wanna do museum, Will?
Sure.
Wait, no, Will. Actually, no, it's not about time yet. I had an idea that could make me way more money than you, but it despawned.
Oh, you were gonna do a crate.
No, a cargo ship. Ooh, thanks for the idea, though.
Great.
There's a crate. I'm doing a glitch, guys. Who is marked? And can you kick marked?
Sure.
Because I don't know who marked is. Just unfriend him and then, like, yeah. Or do something. I got 4K and then no money dropped. That's fun. Or just tell him that we're doing a video. And not to disrupt.
Oh, my microphone is.
Oh, he left. Bro, I'm upside down and it looks so bad. Upside down.
Look at the diamond.
Okay. This is gonna be really hard to know when it's.
No, I died.
Okay, well then you Thank you. Bro, in the dark, it's impossible to drive. Ooh, I know what I'm going for, though. And that I will not... No, not Jewel. There's a better robbery right now.
The gas station?
No. Bank. I have a key. You know that, right? You get it for doing cargo plane.
What?
You get it for doing cargo plane.
You did plane?
I'm joking. I didn't. I just had to stall you for a few minutes. Oh, I did the wrong robbery. You know you can't even do this with a museum bag, but oh, that's... You did this on purpose.
I don't have a museum bag.
I know, I do. So you tricked me, kinda.
I never told you to come in. You tricked yourself.
True. Now I just have to escape and let you get 5K and me be like... I died. Okay, well that's nice, I guess. I'll just take donut while I'm there.
I agree.
I'll just take donut while I'm here.
Where are you on donut?
Because I spawned in the one that sends you up in the air. Let me just grab donut. Easy, like 1K.
Also, a new rule in the live streams. Every time we hit a new subscriber milestone, I blast an episode of The Simpsons.
What? Okay. Honestly, I'm fine with that. Bro, I can't. Oh, no, that was not my fault. Chat, that was not my fault. Drifting. Poggers.
Touchable through those lasers.
Yes! No, you closed it. God. Okay, now where am I gonna go now, though?
Oh, so close to hyperchrome.
And if you get a hyperchrome, you win. That's only fair. And another new rule. If you get any hyperchrome or like... Yeah, just hyperchromes are like the best possible outcome that you can get. Then they win the challenge automatically. Because if you get a hyperchrome like mid-vid, that's like lucky.
Alright, this video is being too long so far, so yeah, I gotta end it.
Bye. See you later.
Call for the day.